Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that was sent to me by a reader named James from Lakeside, California. And I'm pretty jazzed about it too. This is Lemonilo, Naked Ramen. Chicken curry soup, and it says nakedly natural noodles, baked not fried, no preservatives, no artificial color, no artificial flavor, no trans fat. So, and that looks good. Yeah, that's a crazy looking egg, I gotta say. But okay, let's do this. Here are the noodles. They're very interesting. And they go for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then you gotta do some weirdness, which I will gladly do. Basically, you cook them. I guess it's not that weird. They do it with, there's Japanese varieties you do this with often. But you cook it, you drain it, you add in the seasonings, which are a powder and a chili powder, and a seasoned oil, and a half a cup of boiled water, and then you put it all back together. So, yeah, kind of a trip. Can you put it on the counter, sweetie? Good job. Thank you. Mimi's done with her nutritionally balanced Greek yogurt beverage. And this is almost ready to boil over. There we go. But yeah, it's been weeks and we still don't have our freaking car back. If you didn't see the episode where I ranted about it, my wife was driving down a narrow street. Somebody was driving this way, right? And they're towing a backwards Suburban with a rope. And person that's in the Suburban doesn't correct and goes out into her lane. She slams on the brakes, stops, honks her horn. The person in front just keeps going, drives the Suburban that they're towing into the front of our 2019 blue Honda Odyssey. And yeah, and we got a ticket. Maybe that's just how they have to do it, though. Maybe they send you a tip. I'm giving them like way too much nicety. I don't know. Yeah, I guess the other people are saying our hazard lights were on, and then they're saying there's damage to the front of their vehicle. It's like, it must have already been there, buddy. I don't know. But I will be the first to say I wasn't there, but I was on the phone with my wife. She wasn't holding a phone. She was on the hands-free, of course. And the first thing she said, I heard her going, "Stop! What the expletive?" Right? And she's like, "I gotta go." I'm like, What? Are you okay?" She's like, "Somebody just hit our car." And then she was explaining it to me, and I'm like, wait, so you rear-ended their car? Well, in the state of Washington, if you rear-end somebody, she's like, no. Look. I mean, she had to like pretty much draw it on paper for me to understand. It's because it's a weird thing, you know? But after hearing it and kind of going over it enough, you know, I can relate it now. But yeah, fun stuff. So, and It used to be if the cop doesn't show up, you lose the ticket just goes away. Not anymore. Now they can just phone it in or just like write it on a piece of paper, which really sucks because I guess the cop that wrote the ticket was there after the cars were moved out of the street. All that. He wasn't the first person to show up. It's like, ugh, that's definitely not helpful for people who have been the victims of car accidents. That's helpful for the court to make money, which is not a happy thing. It's irritating. It's like, come on. Yeah, we're gonna go down there and take pictures of everything, you know, like where it happened. It's like, look, there was nowhere for her to like get off the road to. It's just irritating. I mean, you can see I'm irritated. So now we gotta drain this. This is a half cup. It's a cup, but it holds a half, you know. It's a whole cup, but it measures a half cup. If it were only half the cup, the liquid would just spill out of it. That'd be silly. Yeah, I know. I'll shut up. So we get that half cup out first. At least attempt to. There. There we go. Now I'll drain it. It's funny because the picture on the package definitely shows way more broth than I'm thinking I'm gonna see here. Maybe we'll see. Oh no, I'm using my special measuring cup, which really makes me unhappy, but I think we'll be all good. I hope. I sincerely reconnoiter that everything will be all right. So here's our pot, our sachets. So let's do this. There's sachet alpha, and I'll just dump it right in there. And then here's the second one, which is the chili powder. That goes in there too. This is from it's interesting. Because I did a little something with this Lemonilo company before, and they sent me samples, and they're based in Indonesia, and this is made in Indonesia. So I figured there was like a snowball's chance that they would actually have their products here. But they've got a distributor here. And what's weird, too, it mentions there's chicken extract powder in this. How the heck does that work? How do we have chicken extract powder from Indonesia here in the States? I mean, I know how we would. There's only one way. That's if they're if they're exporting chicken to Indonesia from the US and then having vetted on the way back in. Oh no, here's the information. This was grown in Kentucky. Hello to my friends in Kentucky. Yeah, there's really, I don't know. It smells good. It looks good. I think calorie-wise, it's pretty decent. Let's see. 390 for the whole thing. So this whole thing here is about just under 400 calories. Now, how does it taste? I am going to find out. It's got a nice curry taste to it. bite. That's pretty good. But anyway, my wife just asked me if I'd call the place that's fixing our car. I'm like, yeah. I mean, of course I'll do it. She's at work. Who am I to say, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm busy cooking noodles. You're at work. Yeah, I'll do it. See, it, and then there's, yeah, look at the package. Look at all the broth. It's like, I don't know. I mean, it's good, but it definitely is kind of, is it just a half a cup? Maybe I screwed up. Add 1/2 cup of boiled water. Yeah. That's fine. Where am I going with this? I got chicken. My wife baked this last night. A little leftover. Thank you, my love. And then I've got some tofu puff. Man, I just don't think this is gonna work, because I mean, it would have been so much nicer if there was a decent, more hefty amount of broth, but lacking that broth makes it really hard to make this a happy looking bowl. So we're just gonna wing it. I really hate it because it's like, this stuff is really good, and I want it to look good and taste good. So it tastes good, but will it look good? I don't know. A little bit of mung bean sprout. A tractor? I just want it to look pretty, and I want you to be able to see the noodles. Okay. I also got some guanciale. I thought that would be a nice add-in. It's basically a little spice mix. Maybe I'll just put some of that on the chicken. Maybe that'll... Sesame seed? Now we're getting a little crazy. And put some chili oil on top too. And we'll put a kitchen sink in here too, and this and that and the other thing. I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, let's have a look. Alright. We'll do some of the crazy 80s music. People ask me a lot where this music comes from. If you go to epidemicsound.com, it's basically like a library of music you can license. I'm in an affiliate program with some other stuff, so I get it for free, but I think it's like $40 a month and you can use it on your videos, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, listen to this. So my daughter is trying to get the artificial intelligence to fart. Try again, Mimi. Try again. Alexa, fart. There you go. All right, well, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Ah, you did it. You got her to fart. All right, say bye-bye.